Welcome to Invoicing Billable Customers with Detail. NetSuite has native functionality which allows you to enter purchases, expenses, or time entries as billable, and then pass these expenses on to your customer. On a vendor bill, like what's shown on the screen, you can reference a customer or a project on the actual entry line and mark it as billable to pass that through as an expense. Another type of expense you can push through is from an expense report. Employee Kathy Cadigan entered in her expense report, and it was for meals. The memo is travel expenses. Again, the customer is Allergan Company, and it's marked as billable. Your intention is to create an invoice passing these expenses on to your customer. You can do that through the Transactions menu, Customers, and then Invoice Billable Customers. This is a bulk invoicing grid, so if I had multiple invoices to do, I could give them all the same date. I can say which AR account I want to hit and which invoice form I want to use. On the right-hand side of the screen, I can say expenses or items, or what I want to bill through to my customers, and it will show all customers at the bottom that want to be invoiced, and you can just bill certain ones or you can bill all of them in bulk. In this case, only Allergan Company has billable expenses entered toward it. So there's one invoice for a total of $1,075, which is the total of those two bills that we looked at earlier. I'm going to click through on the invoice, and you'll notice something that gave some of our customers an issue when they were doing billable expenses. It arranges them as billable items, billable expenses, or billable time. And there is a link to the original invoice, but once you process this invoice and save it, there's no way to know who the original vendor was that you're billing through to your customer. What Sikich did was, when you save an invoice, we have a script running which populates two custom fields, and it gives you the expense bill number and the expense vendor. And there's a link to it if you want to look at it on the screen. Or we've also pushed those fields onto the printed form to be shown, and when you want to let your customer know what you're billing them for. So this gives a clear indication. I can also obviously attach PDF copies of these bills, but they will definitely know which line goes with which copy now. We hope this solves an issue for you. If you'd like Sikich to write a script for your invoicing, please contact us. Thank you.